found the cutest Valentine's Day gifts from my son's class. He's in kindergarten. I'm so excited about these. You see them all? They're little keychains. They're all different. And then they come with these little backpack Valentine's cards. And you take the keychain and it hangs on the backpack. It's so cute. You push out the little thing here. How cute! I'm obsessed. Have like glittery feet on some of them. Like I can't even deal with how cute these are. I saw them and I immediately needed to buy them. These ones have like super cute big eyes. Stop, look at them. So cute, they're all different colors. I am obsessed. Okay, flipping it around so you can see. They're just so cute. And like I said, it clips onto the backpack. Like how stinking cute is that? Adorable.